Welcome to our journey into automation. Understanding the basics will set the stage for how technology can empower you. Automation brings significant time savings, increases efficiency, and can lead to considerable cost savings for your business. In 2025, key technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things drive the automation revolution. Let's break down the process of setting up automated workflows into manageable steps. This guide will help you succeed. Choosing the right automation tools depends on your specific needs. Let's explore the factors to consider. Integration is essential. Here's how you can smoothly incorporate automation into your existing systems. Be cautious of common pitfalls when setting up automation. Here's how to avoid them to ensure a successful transition. Let's look at some real-world examples where automation has led to remarkable success. These stories can inspire you. Looking ahead, we'll discuss future trends in automation and what you can expect beyond 2025. Embracing automation can significantly enhance productivity and foster growth. Let technology work for you.